Garth and I travel all over the country for music, and I feel like the go-to room service order or in a restaurant is chicken tenders because 9 times out of 10, they're gonna be good. And we have searched over and over for the best ones, and we finally decided just to make our own. And I think the most important part about before you cook chicken is to brine it overnight. It helps tenderize the chicken and adds a depth of flavor. And soak these overnight in buttermilk. And I'm gonna double dredge them in this incredible party chicken tender mix. Dredging is just basically dipping the chicken tender in the flour mixture. But if you double dredge, you're gonna get a crispier crust, and that's what we like. See how nice all that mix stays on because we've got all that buttermilk on it. Not to brag, but we do serve this at Friends and Low Places downtown, and it is a big hit. When you get it up to 375, you want to drop it in. I don't deep fry very often, but this is totally worth it. If you don't deep fry or don't want to, you can also make these in an air fryer. It's really simple, and we give you the instructions right on the box. We serve everything at the bar. Garth likes ranch. I love honey mustard, barbecue sauce, ketchup, whatever you like. Garth would probably not give me time to garnish, but we're gonna do this for Williams Sonoma. And then the best part, we eat.